Why are you wasting money?
Smile for the camera.
Hello.
We're back again.
Good morning, pineapple.
So it is Saturday around 9 AM, maybe 10 because I was a bit late coming out of the house. Raju's kindly offered to help us sort out the last piece of the puzzle.
eBay.
Okay.
This is some premium Chinesium.
Chinesium.
It should do the job.
Okay.
Because the old one had a crack somewhere like down here. And
Okay.
it wasn't working,
So that's today's job. We've hired Raju for the day.
yeah. I bought my first power tools, which I can take from as well. But he's building this like it's one of them Warzone Call of Duty like.
Keep adding to it.
So we're trying to get the radiator off, is that right, Raju? Yeah. And then you want us to take the fan off just so we don't damage the radiator.
Why does it sound like a Gus there?
Mad
Contraption. It worked though.
Yeah.
So do you guys not need to take the bumper off and stuff like that last time?
No, wait, can I just say?
Yeah.
That impactor.
Yeah.
Why do you have a 100
Yeah.
for like 20 quid?
Right, why don't you go to the full extent of what happened when you bought that tool?
Well, it was a set. It was that and a screwdriver, or drill, basically. Still didn't work.
So Raju's come in because Vidhu lost his patience once again. So Raju always wanted to be a pirate. Go on. So you take it apart from the inside as opposed to taking all of this stuff off. You don't need to take it off anymore. The bumper and stuff. You don't need to take the bumper off anymore. Fantastic. This is even easier. Oh, how you did your car. Got
That's
it.
not just pain.
Yes, that would make more sense. Yes. What is that? Is that the coolant one? Look at that, guys. Cult.
But the difference between your expansion tank and my expansion tank?
You wanted like a dustbin.
You want smaller for some reason.
So this is the radiator that we are going to replace. Not radiator, what is this? Gearbox cooler. I had no clue there was such a thing. So what's the situation? Tell us, Doc. Will it make it?
New cooler.
No, don't tell me it's different altogether.
Nah. It's upside down. It's like this.
So it's beneath that.
Hold on a minute.
Like this. I don't know if it's
So it goes that way. So it should ideally go like this, but beneath that lamp.
Yeah, it's the right one. You got me shook for a second.
Yeah, Roger, look, you'll see it from here.
No, I'm
That thing is separate. Oh, right. Yes, I didn't know about that. So the Torx have come in handy then, the one that we bought.
What the fuck?
You broke it. You broke it.
Why isn't it clicking in?
So at the moment, Raju's just taking off the brackets that hold in place the... What would you call those? What would you call that?
That block thing.
The block.
The block thing.
The block thing. That's very mechanical, thank you. Block thing 1. Right. Beautiful. So what's wrong with this? So something's gone wrong there. Okay. Princess. And here's the new part.
It looks like it's leaked from this corner, innit?
Yeah, somewhere around there. Can you see it's darker patches around here somewhere? But how?
There you go.
Here's the new one, guys. And there's the old one. As you can see, that looks terrible. You can kind of see where the leak is. Oh.
I think that's just a hole. Crazy.
Maybe. 14.
This is on my MT35, which I've kindly donated to this car.
Do you have that car still?
That is neither here nor there.
Okay, Shanice. I still don't understand how we managed to graze that the trees. Oh, right. When we were like dragging it, basically. So what's the next step, guys?
Plop the radiator back on, then we got to fill up coolant.
And then how are we going to do this gearbox oil? Like, is that something for Uncle to do? Just drive it down to him.
Well, we got to figure out which oil to get first.
Okay.
That's like that.
So we're just giving it a rinse down as per Raju's instruction. So grateful to my mother's garage here. Okay.
I can't take it with manure for this.
You remember, you've got to give it a little jiggle jiggle. Roddy's going to smack you.
We have to pick up the wheel.
Why?
Because if it drives great, then we know we don't need that much. In the way it's driving there, we'll know how much it needs.
So now what? Do you want to make the dream work? Roger held it in place. Maybe you drilled it. You're Luigi, not Luigi. What's the other one? So Raju did it by hand. Vinny's dropped the tool for the millionth time and has gone to go get his other tool. And your magnet, Raju has already tightened the screws and done it all.
The spider.
Put that in pocket.
So really bought the lifetime set from Halfords, and the ball thing that's not supposed to be in there is missing. Let's do it. $1,000. Keep it at 1,000. You say this every 2 minutes.
So nice in here.
You said put the heating on, yeah, not the AC.
It's on.
No, you put on AC by the sound.
No, it takes time and the car's not warmed up.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've got the heating turned on full blast, and hopefully it warms up, blows hot, and cooling system's good to go.
So we just went for a quick drive, test drive. Is it overheating?
Yeah.
So I think one of the tubes and pipes have just popped off, maybe. Lovely. Oh, right, you're taking that off.
So there's a dripping out the bottom.
Oh yeah, you can see it. If you move it away, you can see the drip drop. So we initially pot there.
Independent woman. Well done. Let me put you down.
What exactly happened, darling? You shut the boot so hard you broke the tail. Wow. Well, if water goes in there, it's not going to be a problem. Wait, is there 2 parts to this? Test drive number 2.
It's slightly warm, but it's not getting hot. Actually,
But do you remember last time, after driving for about 5-10 minutes, that's when it made an impact. We are back at the garage, guys, and today we brought Barney. So, Billy, why has Barney come today?
we're going to now top up the gearbox that we lost.
Tragically
lost. So that we have left on the M40. Down the left of the M40.
You could trace our car if you needed to.
And in its defense,
Yeah.
it's only just started slipping gears a little bit.
Now.
Uncle's got some weapons.
I think for when you annoy him. Uncle's having to do the electric shuffle because Billy brought it in wonky as F.
It's the size of the top.
How's he doing it effortlessly?
Is there water in here?
Wow.
We haven't told him that I haven't bought all the oil.
Oh, you're gonna die. He doesn't know yet. He's already in a pissed off mood today. What, Lily? Why are you scared?
Oh, they ran out of heavy Bilstein stuff, so this is the next best thing to Euro side.
Really just compared Uncle's Gearbox oil to Aladdin's lamp, sorry. Lily? Are you annoying Uncle? So there was something annoying and it seems like they found it. It's a brake cover.
Yeah, touching the disc, innit?
They're taking the line off the patient. And we wonder why you're behaving. Really?
Yeah, it's really good. That is.
Oh yeah! Like a give it charging. So this is the one that this is the oil that we've used for the Gearbox, guys. So they have found. You want to shake it for us?
Culprit.
What did you say? Did you just the culprit?
There's a break there.
And
there's another
I think Uncle's
here.
talking to you, darling. Oh, sorry. So we've just decided to come back from the Costco in Wembley. You know, get our grub and whatnot. Billy chooses to use the windscreen wipers, knowing somehow he forgot this, but knowing it doesn't want to stop when it wants to stop. I should probably elaborate better. So we just got some food. We're on our way back. Vidhu decided to use the windscreen wiper and he forgot, supposedly, that it doesn't want to work. So no. It will work. It will work as it wants to. Is it? Yeah, exactly. Roger goes, you didn't want peace, you want more problems. So Lily's currently using the purple tea cup we bought from Halfords and is tea cutting Barney away.
You're right there, Roger. Fighting with the boot. How do you feel today? I think we've still got a fair bit to go, but I think we've come a long way now. So what was that?
Put that compound on.
Yeah.
But take it off after.
Yeah, quick, and then polish after, right?
Yeah.